Hello students, today I will discuss with you all numericals, numerical problems related to relative velocity. Simply I explained in the case of relative velocity that we have two body, one is A, second is B. If we want to compare the velocity of both bodies, so what will you do? So simply A, velocity of A with respect to B. So we can say VA minus VB. If we will say velocity of B with respect to A, then we will say there VB minus VA. As same like it, we will compare velocities. Okay, so if we will compare acceleration, so we can say how? Well, acceleration of A with respect to B, then we will write acceleration of A minus acceleration of B. Clear? Same thing. If acceleration of B with respect to A, so we can say acceleration of B with respect to A. So we can compare acceleration term also as same like it. Okay or not okay? Clear to you all? Any doubt? Okay students. Taking examples. Listen carefully. Number one. We can say we have A means one boy is here, that is A, at point B, his second boy. So simply that boy is moving in this direction, forward direction, with the velocity of 15 meter per second. You can say any object, he is sitting in a car, anything else, 15 meter per second, and that boy moving in forward direction, how much? That can say there 20 meter per second. Then tell me the velocity of A with respect to B. Then you can easily tell VA with respect to B. So we can say VA minus VB. Both are moving in the same direction. So you can say simply VA minus VB means what? 20 meter per second minus 15 meter per second. So we can say this will be the 5 meter per second. Okay, now we can say second example, that is train example. Like that, listen carefully. This is a train, first train. Clear? This train is moving in forward direction, that is the 15 meter per second. Okay, then we have second train. Clear? So this train is moving with a velocity of 60 meter per second. Then we can say this train is A, this train is B. Then tell the velocity of A with respect to B. Then how will you find out? Simply you can write A with respect to B. So you can say VA with respect to B. So we can say this VA how much? 15, or that is what? 60. So we can say this is with a 5 meter per second. Okay students, so you can compare. If you want to compare B with respect to A, B with respect to A, so on that time what will you do? 16 minus 55, we will get how much? 5 meter per second. So this is the simple explanation related to the velocity. Okay, if we will take opposite direction of the velocity, listen how. We can say this is a train A and this is a train B. Okay, we can say this train is moving in which direction? In this direction. Okay, or this train is moving in this direction. Okay or not okay? So you can say this direction is the forward direction, this is the reverse direction. So we can say this train is moving 15 meter per second, and this train is moving what 20 meter per second. The velocity of A with respect to B. Then how will you find out velocity of A with respect to B? Clear? Then how will you find out? So simply when this train is moving in the reverse direction, so you can say VB is equal to what? Minus 15 meter per second. Or this train is moving forward direction, then you will say that what? 20 meter per second. So in that case, how will you write? VA minus VB. What is the velocity of A? That is what? 20 meter per second. And velocity of B is what? Minus into minus 15 meter per second. So we can say that is 20 plus 15. Then we can say 5 plus 3, that is the 35 meter per second. Means when two trains will come, means in the direction of, simply we can say this train is moving forward direction, coming backward, the velocity will add. Okay or not okay? If he will ask, then if he will ask from you that velocity of B with respect to A, then how will you find out VB minus VA? What is the velocity of B? What is the velocity of B? that is what, minus 15 meter per second. What is the velocity of A? That is what, minus 20 meter per second. So it becomes what, minus 35 meter per second. So this is the simple explanation of the numerical. Then take one more example also. This is one train, this is a second train, means both train are moving parallel side together. Clear? Then find out the velocity of A with respect to B and B with respect to A. Then listen, how will you find out? Listen, we can say its velocity, that is 15 meter per second, its velocity is 5 meter per second. Then you can find out this is the reverse direction. Then you can say VB is equal to minus 15 meter per second forward direction. Then we can say VA is equal to 5 meter per second. Then VA with respect to B, then you can take VA minus VB. What is VA? What is VA? Tell me. 5. What is VB? Minus 15. So we can say it becomes 20 meter per second. Okay student, and in second case, if you will find out VB with respect to A, then how will you find out VB minus VA? On that time, what will you say? VB how much? Minus 15 meter per second minus 5, we will get minus 20 meter per second, means in reverse direction it will add. Okay student, so this is the simple explanation of the relative velocity. Many problems I will discuss with you all. So one statement I am going to discuss, listen carefully. Okay, this is the simple question. We can see two railway track are parallel to north south. So we can say one direction is north, second is south. Okay, so simply we can say in this direction I am taking north, in this direction I am taking south. So we can say one track is in this direction north, second track in the direction of south, or both tracks are parallel to each other. Okay, so if both tracks are parallel to each other, then what will you do? If both tracks are parallel to each other, what will you do? We will do here simple thing. So see here, so in north, listen, the train A is moving with the speed of 40 meter per second north to south direction. Okay na students? So simply we can say one train is moving with the speed of north to south direction along one track, while train B is moving with a speed of 30 meter per second south to north direction. South to north direction, calculate the relative velocity of B with respect to A and relative velocity of ground with respect to A. Listen one thing, simply one train is moving forward direction, means we can say in this side we are taking what, north na, so we can say it is moving with a 40 meter per second in forward direction. Okay, and second train is in the first train moving, A is moving from with a speed of 40 meter per second from north to south. So we can say this is train A. Train A is moving 40 meter per second. Okay, and while train B is moving with the speed of 30 meter from south to north direction. South to north direction, this speed is how much? 30 meter per second. This train is B. Clear? So he is asking here what? Relative velocity of B with respect to A, means we have to find out relative velocity of B with respect to A. So we can say what? VB minus what? VA. VB minus what? VA. One thing, listen, if VA in the reverse direction, so we can say VA is equal to minus 40 meter per second. If you are taking this is north side, so we can say this is how much velocity, we can say this how much. So we can say what, this is minus, or this will be what, plus. So we can say what, VB how much? VB is equal to what, 30, and VA is equal to how much? Minus 40. Then we will get how much? 30 plus 40, we can say how much? 70 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay, so this is the demand of the question. If you want to find out, in the opposite side, VA to B, then how will you do? VA minus VB, then we'll get how much? We can say that is 40 minus 30, we will get 70 meter per second. Next question is there, means velocity of relative velocity of ground with respect to A. So we have to find out relative velocity of ground with respect to A. So what will you do? Ground VA. So you know that what is the velocity of ground? 0. Okay, or what is the velocity of A? We can say that is how much? 40 meter per second in negative. Then we will get 40 meter per second. So this is the simple explanation here. So if you will change the direction of here, you can take here north pole, south pole, so things will be little bit reverse, but nothing will happen. This is the simple explanation of the relative velocity. Means we have to find out relative relation is there. Means simply what will happen, if you will change the direction of it, you will get there 70 meter per second. So this 70 is the addition of both velocities, this also addition of both velocities, you will get the add in the opposite direction. Means in opposite, when things will move in opposite direction, then velocity of the buses, truck, anything else will add. Okay or not? Okay, so this is the simple explanation of the body. Okay, now next topic is there, relative velocity I discussed, clear, but I'm including here some concept of also relative displacement also. These topics I will discuss here, clear. Simple thing I am discussing here in the train and means in the case of train problem. Simply listen, we have a boy, this is our one boy, clear, and we have a second boy. Okay or not? Okay, so simply this boy is running with a 15 meter per second. The velocity of this boy, how much is there? That is what, 15 meter per second, clear. And we can say this boy also running in forward direction with the velocity of 10 meter per second. Then what will be the velocity of A with respect to B? So simple one, you can say VAB. We can say what, VA minus VB. Then how much will you get? So simply we can say we will get here VA is equal to 10 minus 15, means we can say minus 5 meter per second. ओके और नॉट ओके, मीन्स दिस बॉय विल मूव फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन, ये बच्चा मतलब फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में चलेगा, तो ऑन दैट टाइम व्हाट विल बी सेम. तो हम यहाँ पे कह सकते हैं कि जब बच्चा फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में चलेगा तो ये पीछे ही रह जाएगा उससे, किस वेलोसिटी के साथ, 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड वेलोसिटी के साथ. ओके और नॉट ओके. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आई एम डिस्कसिंग हियर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग यू हैव टू लर्न, दैट मीन्स वेलोसिटी कंपैरिजन with ground. In simple form we can write this one. How? Listen here, how we can write simple one. Means if we are talking about VAB means boy A is running with 10 meter per second with respect to what? Ground. Same thing you can include, B is moving in forward direction with respect to what? Ground. Means each and every time students you will find out velocity with respect to ground. So you can say if you have VAB, then how will you find out? We can say VA with respect to ground, VB with respect to ground. We know that velocity of ground is what? 0 na. Then you can separately find out velocity of A with respect to ground. Nothing will change with respect to B with respect to ground. So you can find out, nothing will happen. Same thing we will get. Listen, if we want to find out A with respect to ground, how we will find out? VA minus what? VG. What is VA? We can say that is how much? 10. Or VG how much? Ground is not moving, so we can say that is what? 10 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay. So simply velocity will remain same. That velocity is given, so simply we will compare it with respect to ground. So we can say there velocity of A, B, velocity of A with respect to ground, velocity of B with respect to ground. Then what is the velocity of A with respect to ground? Tell me what? 10 meter per second. And velocity of B with respect to ground how much? That is the 15 meter per second. Same thing will remain. I told here, so we will get the same, how much? 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. This is a simple explanation of the velocity. Okay, means in the respect of ground only. Very important questions you will learn here. So focus on the screen only. Listen here. We can say this is a boy A. Okay, that boy is at rest. Clear. We can say it is at that boy is at rest. One boy we have. He's standing on a trolley. So we can say that boy is standing on this trolley. So we can say that boy is B. Clear. The velocity of trolley is how much? 15 meter per second. 15 meter per second in this direction. Okay or not? Okay. And that boy is at rest. So we can say how much velocity of that boy? We can say VA equal to G. 0. Means VA with respect to ground equal to 0. So simply what is this? The velocity of, means we have to compare what? Velocity of A with respect to B. Means we have to compare velocity of A with respect to B. So what will we do? Velocity of A with respect to B, and velocity of A we need with respect to ground, and velocity of B we need with respect to ground. But this velocity is not with respect to ground. This velocity means y's velocity is with respect to trolley. Then we have to find out its velocity with respect to ground first. This is the priorities. This is the one condition for solving the question. Clear? So we can say velocity of y. Velocity of y how much? We can say vb is equal to 0. Okay or not okay? So simply we will compare, means velocity of y with respect to trolley given. Clear? Then how will you write? Velocity of y with respect to ground minus velocity of trolley with respect to ground. These things you will do. Clear now? So we can say what is the velocity of y with respect to trolley? What is the velocity of y with respect to trolley? Nothing. That is what? 0. Velocity of y with respect to trolley, how much? That is 0. And velocity of y with respect to ground we have to find out. Clear? And with velocity of trolley with respect to ground how much? That is the 15 meter per second. Okay or not okay? Then we can say velocity of y with respect to ground, it comes in this side, we'll get there how much? 15 meter per second. So you can put here, then easily you can find out velocity of A with respect to B. Velocity of A with respect to ground how much? That is 0. And velocity of A with respect to B with respect to ground, that is what? 15. So we will get here 15 meter per second. Okay or not okay? Second thing also I will discuss here. A second problem. We have a boy A, that boy is running with how much velocity? We can say that is 10 meter per second. This is boy A. And second boy we have, that is how much? He is standing on the trolley. So simply the velocity of trolley is how much? 20 meter per second. Clear? And one boy is standing on it, that boy is at rest position. So we can say this is a B is at rest position. But we know that simply we have to compare. So we have to find out A with respect to B. How will you find out velocity of A with respect to B? Then what will you do? Velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of A with respect to velocity of B with respect to ground. But we know velocity of A with respect to ground, we know how much? That is the 10 meter per second. But we don't know velocity of B with respect to ground. We know velocity of B with respect to trolley. What will we do? Velocity of B with respect to ground minus velocity of trolley with respect to ground. But we know that this y is not running with respect to trolley, then its velocity will be how much? 0. And velocity of y with respect to ground, velocity of, we have to find out. Clear? Or velocity of trolley with respect to ground how much? That is the 20 meter per second. Then we can say VBG is equal to 20 meter per second. Then you can put here this value VAB. Then put here this how much? 10 meter per second minus how much? That is the 20 meter per second. We will get how much? 10 meter per second. So we can say velocity of A with respect to B is how much? 10 meter per second. So this is a simple explanation. Okay, now third problem. We can say this is a boy and this y is A. Clear? This y is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Okay, we have another boy. He is standing on the trolley. So we can say that boy velocity how much? A in the back side 5 meter per second. Means we can say this y is running 5 meter in the back side in the trolley only. Okay? So we can say trolley is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second in forward direction. So simply we have to find out A with respect to B. How will you find out? We know that A with respect to B. So simply A with respect to ground, B with respect to ground. So simply you have to focus one thing. We know that A with respect to ground, how much? 5 meter per second. But you know B with respect to ground, we don't know. We know that velocity of y with respect to trolley, how much? Velocity of y with respect to trolley, how much? Velocity of y with respect to ground, or velocity of trolley with respect to ground. Okay, so velocity of y with respect to ground in backside direction, so you can take that is 5 meter per second. Okay, velocity of y with respect to ground you have to find out. Velocity of trolley with respect to ground, how much? That is the 20 meter per second. So you can say velocity of y with respect to ground, this 20 comes in this side, then we will get how much? 20 minus 5, we will get how much? 15 meter per second. So we can say velocity of y with respect to ground, that is how much? 15 meter per second. So put here, so simply velocity of y with respect to ground how much? 5 meter per second. Or velocity of y with respect to velocity of b with respect to ground how much? That is the 15 meter per second. So we will get how much? 10 meter per second. So when A will see the B then he will move in the forward direction with the velocity of how much? 10 meter per second. Okay na, means he is moving in opposite direction. 5 will subtract, we will from this 20 15, and 5 his forward direction, we will subtract there, will get there only 10 meter per second. Understood or not, students? This is a simple explanation. Okay, next thing next time I'm going to discuss. Okay, we know that we have a boy, that is what? A, and we have a train, that is what? And one boy is standing on the train, simply B, and we can say this is a T. Train is moving in forward direction with the velocity of 20 meter per second. Boy is moving along with the train in forward direction, same 2 meter per second. So simply find out A and the velocity of this boy in forward direction, that is how much? That is 40 meter per second. So simply compare the velocity of A with respect to B. So simply what will you do? With the velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of B with respect to ground, we have to find out. But we know that the velocity of A with respect to ground we know, but we don't know velocity of B with respect to ground. Find out. We know that velocity of B with respect to trolley. Velocity of B with respect to trolley we know how much? 2 meter per second. The velocity of boy with respect to ground minus velocity of this train with respect to ground. Clear? So what will you do? Velocity of boy with respect in forward direction will take positive, and the velocity of boy with respect to ground you have to find out. Clear? Minus velocity of trolley, that is how much? 20. It comes in this side, it becomes what? With respect to that is what? 22 meter per second. So put here both values. Velocity of A with respect to B, so that is what? 40 minus this is 22 meter per second. Then we'll get how much? This is what? This what? Tell me, this what? 8, and this what? 18. This 18 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay, this is the simple explanation. Next type. Okay, we can say we have a car. OD, very good. This is a car. Okay, students, driver B sitting here. Clear? So we can say one monkey is standing on the car. This is monkey. Clear? Car is moving forward side with the velocity of 30 meter per second, and that monkey moving on the car with respect to car 2 meter per second. And we can see here one boy also is standing on the trolley, and simply so we can say that is boy B. Clear? So he is moving in the backside direction 1 meter per second. Trolley is moving what? 15 meter per second. To find out velocity a monkey with respect to boy. Clear na? But we know monkey is moving with respect to car, but we don't know monkey is moving with respect to ground. First we have to find out monkey with respect to ground. Same thing also here. This boy is moving with respect to trolley, not with respect to ground. First of all you have to find out with respect to, simply ground. So monkey with respect to boy, so we can say monkey with respect to ground minus monkey boy with respect to ground. Okay or not? Okay, so we don't know VMG with respect to ground, we don't know. So we have to find out VMG, and we don't know VBG also. This also we have to find out. So see here, first of all we are going to find out. We know that. So simply boy with respect to trolley we know, boy with respect to ground, and trolley with respect to ground. Boy with respect to in backside, so we can say that is what? -1. And boy with respect to ground we have to find out. Minus trolley with respect, that is what? 15 meter per, this is coming this side. Simple one method only, students, one method comes positive 14 meter per second. Same thing come on the monkey. So we know that monkey with respect to car, VMC. So VMC, monkey with respect to ground minus car with respect to ground. Monkey with respect to ground in backside direction, so we can say that is what? -2 meter per second. And one monkey with respect to ground how much? Simple, you will take, we have to find out. And car with respect to this how much? 30 meter per second. So we can say monkey with respect to ground 30 moves another side, 30 minus 2, we will get monkey with respect to ground, that much how we will get there? Tell me student, that is how much? 28 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay, then put both values here. VMB is equal to VMG, how much we found got here? 28 meter per second. BG, boy with respect to ground, will get how much? 14 meter per second. Then we can say result is there 14 meter per second, means monkey running with respect to boy with a velocity of 14 meter per second. Okay or not okay students? So this is the simple explanation of it. Any doubt now? Any doubt now? So simply you want that I will discuss one more problem? Okay, I am going to discuss in next video. I will create their thief and police problem. Okay, one more example also I am going to discuss. This much problem can ask in the examination to you all, very easy problem. Clear? So simply we can say this is the one train. This train is moving in 4 direction with a velocity of 54 meter per second. Clear? One boy is standing in the train. That boy is running in the back side with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Here is one another train. Clear? So this train is moving in the backside direction with a velocity of 40 meter per second. Clear? And one boy also there. That boy moving in this train in this backside direction, same direction, that is 10 meter per second. We can say this is B, this is A. Clear? Find out velocity A with respect to B. So you know that velocity of with respect to ground, velocity of B with respect to, we don't know both of them. So A with respect to train, we know train 1, and B we know with respect to train 2, but we don't know that means especially with respect to ground. Find out for it. Then this boy, A boy with respect to train T1, we know that how much V A with respect to ground, V T1 with respect to ground. Clear na? VA T1 means velocity of A with respect to train in backside, that is how much, minus 5 meter per second. VAG you have to find out. VT1 in forward side, so you can say that is what, 54 meter per second. Then you can find out VAG plus 54 minus 5, how much you will get there? I think so 49 meter per second. Then find out for velocity of boy with respect to ground. So you have to see second concept. We don't know that velocity of boy with respect, we know that, but velocity of boy with respect to train, velocity of boy with respect to train means T2. So velocity of boy with respect to ground minus velocity of train T2 with respect to ground. So velocity of B with respect to in backside, so we can say that is how much, 10 meter per second. Velocity of boy with respect to ground we have to find out. Velocity of train T2 with respect to ground, how much there backside, so this is minus 40. Clear na? So we can say minus 10 VBG minus what, plus 40. Then find out VBG, this comes in this side, how much we will get there, minus 40 minus 10, we will get what, minus 50 meter per second. Okay or not okay? Then take this formula, put here both values in this given formula, that is VAB, we got here VAG, how much, VAG how much, 49 meter per second, minus VBG how much we will get there, that is how much, 50, or minus is there already, so minus 50, we will get how much, 49 plus 50, 49 plus 50 means 9, this will be the VAB, A with respect to B will move 99 meter per second. Okay or not okay? So you can find out simply 49, and you can, that is 40 50 minus, this is the simple explanation of it. Then you can solve many numericals related to this simple explanation of the relative velocity. Next video I will create their police thief problem and gravitational problem, relative displacement. Okay student? Yes students, listen one thing, along with the explanation, if you will like it this video, so please press their like button, thumb button, and subscribe my channel. And simply, if you will not understand anything, you can write in the comment box. So next time I will discuss that same problem with you all. Okay student, good luck.